water splashing up, splashing up, splashing up every second. And the rain kind of slowed down, thank God. Stop at the light. All that water on the ground, my God. Can't open the window because that water will splash up onto me. All that water. Water, 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 water. Mm. Puddles.
Press the button to let down the window.
The back? Oh. Water, 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 water. Drive slow. Them gone. I have to keep up with them. Don't want to change lanes. Well, more cars are out here that much. To change lane, go in the middle lane. Less water. Ooh, and they splashed water from the other side into the car. Make sure I keep the car straight while I close the window. Can't see nothing much because look at all that water come over. Ooh. I will try to blind somebody if you don't drive slow and careful. Stay in my lane. I have to go. No car coming behind me, thank God. These cars always gone and left me. Aye, bro. Jesus.